Welcome to Studious Learning Station. This video is about idioms related to sister, like 10 idioms vocabulary about sister. An idiom is a term whose meaning cannot be determined from the literal meanings of the words it is made of. Many idioms are figurative. They are intended to create an image, association, or other effect in the mind of the listener or reader that goes beyond the literal meaning. So, we are about to discuss idioms and vocabulary words like blood sister, soap sister, sisters before misters, younger sisters, soul sisters, half sisters, older sisters, we all brother and sister under the skin. Let's discuss about what does it mean and how can we use these idioms and vocabulary words in a sentence. So here is first idiom, blood sister. What does it mean? It means a girl or woman who has sworn loyalty to another despite not being biological related. So how can we use this idiom in a sentence? Let's try it. Farah and Zara are good friends. They rarely seen one without the other. They are blood sisters. So in that way you can use this idiom. The next idiom is soap sister. How can we use in a sentence? And first, what does it mean? So soap sister means a weak woman who is prone to crying. Let's try to use soap sister in a sentence. How can we use in our daily life? So, I had another sister in my class. She used half a box of tissues. That means I have a sister, another sister, she cries a lot. So, if you have a sister who cries a lot for a little things, so you can use that idiom for her. The next idiom is also very interesting. Sisters before misters. It means an expression related to female friend as a reminder that their friendship is more important than relationship interaction with man. So how can we use in a sentence? Don't leave us for that guy which you met 2 days ago. Sisters before misters. So, sisters before misters means a woman should prioritize her female friends over her boyfriend or husband. The next idiom is we all brothers, sisters under the. What does it mean? It means be man, women with similar feelings in spite of outside appearances, position, etc. Let's try to use in a sentence. You can use in that way like nurses and teachers are sisters under the skin as they both need to work hard. So next vocabulary word is older sister. A female who is older than or more of her siblings. So how can we use in a sentence? My older sister always helped me in my school project. So older sister is a female who is older than one or more of her siblings. Like I will ask my older sister to help us with the move. In that way, you can use older sister in a sentence. The next idiom is younger sister. The younger sister means one's younger female sibling. Let's try to use younger sister in a sentence. I have a younger sister. Her name is Hannah. Or you can say, being a younger sister, I bothered my elder sister. In that way, you can use younger sister in a sentence. The next one is soul sister, a woman with whom one shares an intense, intimate emotional connection. How can we use soul sister in a sentence? You can use in a way like, my best friend is a soul sister to me. I feel like I have known her better than anyone else. So, a soul sister is a woman friend who tends to the need of our souls. A soul sister keeps her eye on what really matters, even when we may not be centered on that ourselves. She is that person who recognizes the simple truth that while material security and professional success have their place in life, they cannot satisfy all our needs. The soul sisters are those who are loyal to the innermost essence, the deepest heart's desire of their friends. I hope you understand about the soul sister. The next one is sob sister. What does it mean? It means a girl or woman who is prone overly emotional pleas, complaints, or outbursts. Let's use sob sister in a sentence. You can use in a way like, there is a sob sister in my group who just drained all my energy with complaining and whining. Or sob sister can be used in a way like a journalist who writes mainly sentimental articles or has an advice column. You can say in another way like ineffective person who seeks to do good. Actually, sob sister was an American term in the early 20th century for reporters, usually women, who specialized in newspaper articles, often called sob sisters, with emphasis on the human interest angle using language of sentimentality. So in both ways you can use sob sister. So the next vocabulary word is half sister. What does it mean? It means a sister related through one parent only. So let's try to use half sister in a sentence. Elena is my half sister. So remember, this stepsister and half sister has different meaning. Like the key difference between stepsister and half sister is that the stepsister is not related by blood, whereas the half sister is related by blood. A stepsister is the daughter of one's stepmother or stepfather, whereas a half sister is a sister with whom one shares only one parent in common. Although half sisters share one common parent, stepsisters do not have a common parent. I hope you understand the difference between the half sister or a stepsister and use a half sister in a correct way.